Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Clears and I'm the Resident Engagement Director here at our beautiful Coterie location in Manhattan in Hudson Yards. And we had the opportunity of having 2 staff workshops with Danny and Laughter on Call, as well as a family geared workshop with Danny and Laughter on Call. I would say the top 3 things about Danny's Laughter on Call BHILATYS workshop would have to be the yes and, right? Because we don't want to argue with adults living with cognitive impairment. Very important rule. Number 2 is learning about honesty, learning how you can communicate with others by being honest, but we don't want to be brutally honest, right? And then the third and foremost would really have to be with my amazing staff. Throughout this experience with Laughter on Call and Danny, they've really all come together even to become an even closer team, which is just priceless.